Hey guys, hope you're all well. My name is Ivan. I run n8n, an AI automation agency, and today I'm going to show you how to build an AI agent that basically knows everything. So it's a chatbot. So we're going to start with when chat message received to the canvas. So when a chat message is received, it will connect to AI agent. Oh, good. Chat model. We're going to connect to the Open AI chat model. Cool. You need an OpenAI account and some credits. You have to buy a minimum of $5, but the credits last. Memory. Windows buffer memory, so it can call on previous questions you've asked it. If you need more memory, you can use other cloud storage platforms. And tool. This is how it knows things. Wikipedia. So you can ask it any question that's on Wikipedia. Obviously, there are questions as to how much of what's on Wikipedia is true, but I think a lot of it's pretty accurate. And there we go. Now, if we run it, we can ask it any question that Wikipedia knows the answer to. What was the UK #1 hit on the 9th of September 1983? Red Red Wine by UA40, great song. Who was the first? Augustus. And so, yeah, obviously, there's questions to how useful this tool is in a business context, but just thought I'd do it this way because it's fun and because it gives you just a sort of base idea of how n8n works. So you can start building your own AI agents. Thanks very much for watching.